Hey there, Foldabots builder. This is the Foldabots Assembly Guide. All you need are scissors and glue to build Siklab. Let's go! So first, get his main body, then apply some glue. So stick it together so that it forms a rectangular prism. It's nice if you could hold it up into place until it dries up real well, or use a pencil to push it forward. Then get the roof part and apply glue to those four corners that have the letter R in it. So it's a good tip to start with two sides that are on the same area, like the rear part, and hold it in, and do the front part where the windshield is. The back part has part of the tire showing, and the windshield has just like the stripe of the visor. Then when that's nice and glued already, stick the roof onto the main body like so. You'll see the image starting to complete with the back spare tire. So I'm just folding some things so that they're nice and flat. Next, we're gonna do the arms. So this is a little bit tricky. Put some glue in the bottom part right underneath those L and R symbols, and then tuck in the connector tab, and you're almost done. Time to glue the tires. So there's tires 1 to 4, and they go in any order. Just put them in those blue areas that are in a rectangular shape. Now it's nice to wait for that to dry before actually standing the car on a table. And put that flame right on Siklab's fist. Don't forget that little slit, and don't glue this so that you can remove it later on. Okay, let's see how it stands. This is Siklab. So in robot mode, just remove its arms from its body and tuck in the connector tab. Nice and easy. And fold out the legs and the back balancer. And there you go. And for car mode, just tuck in the connector, close up the back, close up the grills in front, make sure the head is tucked in and the arms as well. And let's give it a spin. This is Siklab, Elementrobot. Thank you for watching.